press conference of the 9th edition of Tata Steel World 25K Kolkata 2024, held on 11th of December at the Event Media Center, Red Road, Kolkata.
First one, ladies first as we call it. My dear friend Gaver Chatterjee from Concern India Foundation. She's worked with Concern India Foundation for the last 18 years and worked primarily in fundraising and also has a wide exposure to pragmatic work in education, health, and community development. Gaver, please. Next up, we have Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Agarwal from Tata Medical Center. We will soon be having all the way from Bangalore and to the introductions moment we can get him online. Next is, I'm like, oh there he is. Can you hear us? Hi Mr. Mitra, how are you?
Very well. I hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. All the way from Bangalore, he's the CFO of the Lalit Group of Hotels. Balaji from M Junction administration team. He now serves as a deputy head of administration. What he is professionally, he is very spiritually inclined human being. Also, we learn more about it.
So, your question about how is it unique is really the one which I would like to address, because this platform gives NGOs, corporates, and individuals an opportunity to have the greatest fun, the greatest feeling of achievement, the greatest acceleration by running individuals running, groups running, and at the same time we know just by participating that we are contributing to philanthropy. Now, both these platforms have been such a wonderful platform for Concern India Foundation to raise funds and also to get corporates into our fold. Corporates, when they participate through their CSR avenue, and some of them also participate because they find that it's a fantastic HR, a fantastic opportunity for HR because there's great bonding, employees get motivated, and I found that once we get a corporate to get involved, they always come back saying we have more people who want to participate. We want to take a larger team this time. How can we, have a bigger contingent? So what I do find is that there's this feeling of bonding, and for individuals as well as for people who are running for a corporate, there's this great feeling of pride. Everybody comes out with this feel-good factor. In the process, one way or the other, funds are raised, and this works towards supporting our initiative.
It was a very small group, maybe 25-30 people, and the event was so encouraging. It spread it in a group of people who regularly kind of a sportsmen, runners and all, but it's not limited with those people only. They spread out the why, because it is not limited to just running a event. It is a kind of a engagement. People are happy why we are going for this running. There is a cause, of course, and such a huge crowd, and that day, of course, slowly the people started taking interest. Not only employees, even our management also taken a call where we used to pay the registration fee, but company now started the funding the whole registration fee. If you talk about the 150 plus participants who are running here, it's company is funding to go run and enjoy the event, because this event is multiple reasons to participate. One, we are supporting a social cause. Of course, it is I believe that is a major cause, and of course health, to keep yourself, fitness, sports, it's a part of your daily life, and everybody, we encourage all employees to be a health fitness free, at least not completely 25-kilometer runner, but at least Anand Run you can do it.
Platform has helped Tata Medical Center to develop impact, because when we started the journey, and it was all Mr. Tata, which you know about Mr. Ratan Tata. So that was in 2011 when the doors of Tata Medical Center, the cancer hospital, was opened with just 167 beds. 2012 itself showed us that we need to expand the hospital the way the cancer patients were increasing at that moment of time and people couldn't reach even Bombay for treatment. That was the main reason why Mr. Tata chose West Bengal for the cancer hospital. This platform of Tata Steel Marathon helped us from 2014 to get funds or raise funds towards the expansion of the hospital. So the expansion which happened for 250 beds, which started in Feb 2019. So every year we were a participant and we were helped by people across all fields, raising funds for Tata Medical Center and providing that fund towards the expansion of the hospital, which came up in Feb 2019. And today we are 437 bedded hospital with 325 beds admitting capacity, helping across West Bengal and also the neighboring countries all across. So this will be very interesting and also a challenging journey because we needed fund across to develop the hospital.
One short answer, one word answer.
Closer to?
One word answer to the experience is wonderful. And of course, this is our first association with Tata. And this time it is Tata World Marathon. The Tata Marathon, this is our first association. And it has been, I wouldn't call it a roller coaster journey, but it has its own ups and downs. But it gives us so much of sense of fulfillment. In one sense that, okay, we were reaching out to NGOs, we are organizing them and mobilizing them for fundraising. But it is not really so. It is much more than that. But as we all in Impact 360 felt, that it is about building our community. Because normally, in case we are an NGO concern is another, NGO Tata Medical is another, and there are so many here and all. But we are in our own silos, we do our own efforts, we have our own causes, we have our own funders, etc. But here we all come together and not necessarily for our individual causes only we have worked. At least as far as Impact 360 Foundation is concerned, it is the entire network of the NGOs that has been enabled and enhanced and supported through this platform. So that's a wonderful platform and that's a great learning that we always talk about networking, collaborating in our sector.
Religion and religious causes. But when it comes to civil society causes, we sometimes hesitate. It's platforms like these that build the trust and build the connect with civil society. And I say this because it's very important you carry this message back tomorrow. Messages where there is some kind of unrest in society and that gets front page news. These kind of endeavors should be given equal prominence, if not more. Carry these messages, these are heroes sitting in front of you. They really have gone out of their way to do something for another person's improvement, another person's situation can be.
टाटा मेडिकल सेंटर जो है 2011 में खुला था और 2012 में ही हमें लगा कि टाटा मेडिकल सेंटर को एक्सपेंड करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमारे 167 बेड्स थे और उसके बाद हमने 250 बेड्स और ऐड किए जो फेब 2019 में चालू हुए। तो आज के दिन में हमारे 437 बेड्स हैं जिसमें 325 बेड्स में एडमिटिंग कैपेसिटी है। टाटा स्टील मैराथन जो इससे हम लोग 2014 से जुड़े हुए क्योंकि ये जब से चालू हुआ था टाटा स्टील मैराथन उस समय सबसे पहला कॉन्सेप्ट दूसरों ने किया, दूसरे कॉर्पोरेट भी किया था। बट हमें जितनी भी फंडिंग वहाँ से ही वो हमारे हॉस्पिटल बनाने में लगी जिससे हमारा हॉस्पिटल बना और हमारे बहुत सारे और काफ़ी डोनर्स भी आए थे उन्होंने हमें सहायता की जिसके कारण आज टाटा मेडिकल सेंटर की एक्सपेंशन हो गया। जैसे एक PSU कंपनी की IOCL जिन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा डोनेशन दिया था जिसके कारण हमको इस हॉस्पिटल को और आगे बढ़ाना और अब जो बाद में जो पैसे अभी इधर अंतराल 2-3 साल में टाटा स्टील से आ रहे हैं वो हमारे पेशेंट केयर के लिए लग रहे हैं ताकि जो पेशेंट्स की ट्रीटमेंट हो रही है वो पैसे के अभाव में हो सकता था कि ट्रीटमेंट ना हो बट हमारे पास जो डोनेशन आते हैं उससे उनको हेल्प करते हैं ताकि उनका ट्रीटमेंट कम्प्लीट हो। ये हॉस्पिटल ये राजारहाट में है। एक आपका काम मैं संजीव अग्रवाल, मैं डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस टाटा मेडिकल।
actually.